Hello friends, I am Nagendra Kumar Mourya, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. I am dealing the subject Machine Design 2. The subject code is RMA 603. In today's class, I will discuss about the design of piston. First of all, I would like to explain about the piston. What is piston? The piston is a component which reciprocate within the cylinder. It moves the fluid or it moved by the fluid which is enter into the cylinder. The main function of piston of an internal combustion engine is to receive the impulse from the expanding gas and to transmit the energy to crankshaft of the connecting rod. As we know, in expansion process, the fluid apply a pressure to the piston and piston move in downward direction. So energy is transferred from the energy of fluid is transferred to the connecting rod. The piston dissipates a large amount of heat from the combustion chamber to the cylinder valve. Apart from that, piston is normally made of different kind, but most of the internal combustion engine use trunk type as shown in figure 1. Figure 1 shows the trunk type piston. The main dimensions of the this piston is shown in this figure, where th is the thickness of the cylinder head, capital D is the bore diameter, capital L is the total length of the cylinder, and B1 is the top length, and B2 is the width of the piston ring, and T1 is the radial thickness of the cylinder piston ring, and T3 is the thickness of the barrel, and D0 is the outside diameter of the piston ring. Part of the piston. There are mainly four part of the piston, namely piston, namely head or crown. Second is the piston ring. Third is the skirt, and fourth and last part of the piston is piston pin. First of all, I would like to explain about the head or crown of the piston. The piston head or crown may be flat, concave, and convex depending upon the design of combustion chamber. It withstand the pressure of gases in the cylinder. Second part is the piston ring. What is the function of piston ring? The function of piston ring is to prevent the leakage of gases from the between the piston and cylinder. And next part is the skirt. Skirt act like as a bearing for the side thrust of the connecting rod on the wall of the cylinder. And piston pin. The function of piston pin is to connect the piston and connecting rod. Design consideration for a piston, and there are the following. These are the following design consideration of the piston. A piston should have the following criteria. It number one. It should have enormous strength to withstand the high gas pressure and inertia forces, because the due to the combustion of fluid, a lot of pressure is exerted on the piston head. So it should be sufficient, it should be able to withstand the sufficient strength. Second important criteria is it should have minimum mass to minimize the inertia forces. Second, and it should from an effective gas and oil sealing of the cylinder. It should provide sufficient bearing area to prevent under wear. It should dissipate the heat of combustion quickly to the cylinder valve. It should have high speed reciprocating without noise. It should be of sufficient rigid connection to withstand thermal and mechanical distortion. It should have sufficient support for the piston pin. Material for the piston. It is a very important consideration because proper selection of material play a vital role in the design of any mechanical component. The most commonly used material for the piston is cast iron, cast aluminum, forged aluminum, cast steel, and forged steel. Basically, cast iron piston are normally used for the low speed engine up to the 6 meter per second. Are aluminum alloy piston are used for the highly rated engine running at high speed. Since the coefficient of thermal expansion for the aluminum is about 2 to 2.5 times that of the cast iron, so that uh, while designing piston of aluminum, one should take care of the clearance between the piston and cylinder. Next is the design procedure of the piston. It is an important aspect in your university examination. Number of questions asked from this portion. The design consideration, sorry, the design of piston head. First of all, I would like to explain about the how piston mm, how uh, piston head is designed. Piston head is designed basically on the basis of two criteria. Number one is on the basis of strength, and second criteria is on the basis of heat transfer. On the first criteria, thickness of cylinder head can be designed by using the following empirical relation. Th is equal to cube root of 3 p d square divided by 16 sigma t, where p is the maximum gas pressure or expanding pressure in Newton per mm square, d is the bore diameter, sigma t is the allowable tensile strength of the material. It may be taken as 35 to 40 megapascal for the grey cast iron, 50 to 90 megapascal for the nickel cast iron in aluminum alloy, and 60 to 100 megapascal for the forged steel. And on the basis of second criteria, thickness of cylinder head can be calculated by using the relation Th is equal to H over 12.56 K Tc minus Th, where H is the heat flowing through the piston head in kilojoule or watt. The difference of Tc minus Te can be used 220 degrees centigrade for the cast iron and 75 degrees centigrade for the aluminum. The value of small k can be taken as 46.6 watt per meter degree centigrade for the grey cast iron, comma 51.25 watt meter degree centigrade for the steel, and 174.75 watt per meter degree centigrade for the aluminum alloy. The value of H can be calculated by using the following relation. H is equal to C multiplied by SCB multiplied by M multiplied by BP, where C is a constant, the value of C is 0.05, and SCB is the high calorific value. The value of high calorific value is different for the different types of fuel, such as for diesel engine SCB, for diesel SCB value is 45 into 10 to the power 3 kg per kilojoule per kg, and for petrol 47 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule per kg, and M is the mass of fuel used in kg per brake power per second. PP is the brake power of the engine per cylinder. Note: The thickness of piston head is calculated by using above two criteria, and the larger dimension should be considered for the design of piston. For engine having length of stroke to cylinder bore or L by D ratio 1.5, a cup is provided in the top of the piston head with the radius of 0.7 d. This is done to provide a space for the combustion chamber. Piston ring. As we have already discussed about the function of piston ring. Piston ring is basically used to prevent the leakage between the piston and cylinder. The piston ring are used to impart the necessary radial pressure to maintain the seal between the piston and cylinder bore. The piston ring is basically made up of grey cast iron or alloy cast iron because of their good wearing property. There are basically two types of piston ring used in IC engine. One is the compression ring, or it is also known as pressure ring, and second is the oil control ring. The function of compression ring or pressure ring are, are to prevent the leakage and absorb some part of the piston fluctuation due to the side thrust. And oil control ring, the oil control ring are provided below the compression ring. These rings provide a proper lubrication to the liner. These are the piston ring. There are two different kind of piston rings which are used. One is the diagonal cap and second is the step cut. Diagonal cut and step cut. Calculation of dimension of the piston ring. Dimensions of piston ring can be calculated by using the relation T1 is equal to D root of 3 PW divided by sigma T, where D is the cylinder or bore diameter and PV is the pressure of gas on the cylinder valve in Newton per mm square. Normally it used about 0.025 Newton per mm square to 0.042 Newton per mm square, and sigma T is the allowable tensile strength. Students need not to remember all these terms because these terms are given in data book already. The allowable tensile stress may be taken as 85 to 110 megapascal for the cast iron. From once T1 is calculated, on the basis of that you can also calculate the axial thickness by using relation T2 is equal to 0.7 T1 to T1, and width of the top land can be calculated as B1 is equal to TH in TH to 1.2 TH. We have already calculated the TH. What is the TH? TH is the thickness of cylinder head, and width of the other ring can be calculated as 0.72 T2 to T2. Piston barrel. First of all, I would like to what is use of piston barrel. It is a cylindrical portion of the piston. The maximum thickness of the piston barrel may be obtained by using the relation T3 is equal to 0.03 D plus B plus 4.5, where D is the inside bore diameter and B can be calculated by using the relation T1 plus 0.4 mm. So T3 is equal to 0.03 D plus B plus 4.5. Piston screed. The portion of piston below the ring section is known as piston screed. It acts as a bearing for the side thrust of the connecting rod. The length of the piston screed should be such that bearing pressure on the piston barrel due to the side thrust does not exceed 0.25 Newton per mm square of the projected area for low speed engine and 0.5 Newton per mm square for the high speed engine. Namely, the side thrust is about 1 by 10th of the total pressure, fluid pressure. The dimensions of the piston screed can be calculated by using the relations given below. We know that P is the maximum gas load, that is the P is equal to small p multiplied by pi by 4 d square divided by 4. Basically, load is equal to pressure into area, where P is the inside gas pressure and D is the bore diameter. The value of the value of thrust can be calculated. R is equal to P by 10, that is the 0.1 small p multiplied by pi by 4 d square. The value of radial thrust will be equal to bearing pressure multiplied by the projected area of the piston screed, that is Pb into D into L. So by using these relation, you can easily calculate the value of small l length of the screed. Piston pin. Piston pin is also one of the important component which is used to connect the piston and connecting rod. Piston pin is also known as gudgeon pin or wrist pin. It is usually made hollow and tapered on the inside, the smallest inside diameter being at the center of the pin as shown in figure 3. The piston pin pass through the bush provided on the inside of the piston screed and the bush of the small end of the connecting rod. The center of piston pin should be 0.02 D to 0.04 D above the center of screed. Calculation of dimensions of the piston pin. The piston pin dimensions can be calculated by using the following relation. We know, let us consider D is the outside diameter of the piston, L1 is the length of the piston pin, and Pb1 is the bearing pressure. So the load on the piston due to the gas pressure, that will be equal to obviously pi by 4 d square multiplied by small p, and bearing load will be equal to the bearing pressure multiplied by bearing area. Here is a compressive force, so we use projected area. Pb1 is equal to d naught into L1, and you can easily determine the dimension d naught by using the equation. References: I have used a textbook of machine design, R.S. Khurmi and J.K. Gupta to prepare this lecture. Thank you very much for watching this video, and soon I will upload my another video. I hope you have enjoyed a lot.